In primetime news this evening, Portland businessman Everton Beaches Stout McDonald and his co-accused Oscar Barnes sentenced to life in prison.
3 injured in 3 vehicle collision.
And we'll have the conclusion of our primetime news special report on the state of public bathrooms. Good evening and welcome to primetime news on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And a special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Janella Precious. Now with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, this evening we have information about Jamaica's trade deficit, which has reduced for the first 5 months of 2024. And what about the presidency of the Jamaica Chamber of Commerce? Those and more in the Business Day.
Thank you, Chizzy. And Jermaine Brown has a preview of what's coming up in the big show, Primetime Sports.
All right, thank you, Archie. Well, ISA has handed down heavy punishment to Dental Technical and a few of their footballers following an assault of a match official in a Costa Cup match last weekend. We'll give you the details of the full punishment a bit later on.
Big controversy in the big show.
I wonder what's the weather going to be like for the games tomorrow.
We've been talking about it. I gave Romain orders.
Yes, so Romain?
Thanks, Janella. Now we are expecting a bit of a break in the shower and thunderstorm activity that we have been experiencing come tomorrow. And we're also expecting another tropical wave that should be affecting the island late in the evening on Saturday as well as on Sunday.
I know you want to be doing some cartwheels right now, right?
No, it's a promise,
okay.
You know, which they say is a comfort to as you know. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. The weather report and forecast in detail, of course. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking, what's your reaction to news that Portland businessman Everton Beachy Stout McDonald will spend the rest of his life behind bars?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.